Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com. Today is Friday, the end of the week, 4:50 p.m. and making this video to recap the whole week tradings and why we took all those trades. Okay, so let's get started. I did make a small video in the middle of the week on Wednesday, I guess, right? But that was only showing Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday's trade. This one for the whole week. So let's get started here. USD Yen 40-minute, beginning 28th November. Okay, bouncing from here, going to the upside. Yen weakness was the key factor in this one, and you will see a lot of in trades based on yen weakness. Here, pound USD, I think it's 20-minute chart on the 29th, the next day, bouncing from these levels, indicators all the way down, turning up. These candles turning from red to blue, and this is you can see my yellow markers here. This is my entry, and this is the SL. Moving in the positive territory, blocking some profit. Okay, and this one, a pound Aussie on the 29th, you can see here, big trade, two entries, and both SLs were moving in the positive territory and went all the way up. There was a very nice level here. I didn't put it here. I forgot 68 something. I think 68, 65, but it wasn't touched here. This was the key area. Anyway, this is pound yen 40-minute chart. You can see how nice these entries are late, but you know what? On the 29th, I was kind of sleeping. I missed the right time. That happens sometimes, right? When you are too tired. All right, this is pound yen on the 30th. Big trade, 200 pip, 200 plus pip. Again, bouncing from 140 area. I'll show you 140 area. What is it, and then why I'm taking all this. Why this pound yen and pound Aussie are going up. I'll show you at the end of it. So pound Aussie, see the same day on the 30th, 200 pip entry from here. This is the buy entry, and the SL move to the break even, and trade went up. Then again, on the 30th, this was a small trade, Aussie USD. Usually I don't trade, but the 40-minute chart was making such a nice entry. So I took an entry from 20-minute chart, just to say, make a few pips here. And the next day, December 1st, pound Aussie again come into play. Look, 180 pip. This was beautiful. This was an entry, but I didn't take that one. This one I took, and then all the way up. This was an entry as well. Entry is here, SL is here. The same way, this pound yen went up. Okay, 170 plus pip. Again, same thing. Entry was here, but this is the one I took. Okay, plus 170 plus pip. And the euro USD on the this is December 2nd, euro USD, but these are not the entries on second. The reason I'm showing is that they are going on, but this pair right now is moved very little, okay, compared to the others. So for example, from November 30 it just moved this much, and look, pound Aussie and pound yen, how much I'm making there, how many pips. This thing just doesn't move, it drags, so I usually don't trade this euro USD. The whole world wants to trade it, but I don't know for what reason. But you can see in front of you. Okay, you can trade, but make very less compared to the other pairs that rarely moves. So this entry was November 30th, moved a little bit, then it came down and then bounced again on from 61%. This is December 1st, and then this is I just close on record this and close the trade on December the 2nd. Okay. Okay, now again, pound yen, you can see how nice and clean this one is. On the second, first entry 100 plus, second entry 80 plus. This is what I'm talking about. These things move, man. These pairs, pound Aussie, pound yen. Again, you will see pound USD entry here, and then December 2nd, 100 plus pip. Where's pound Aussie? I think I had, oh, here. There we go. Not too much on this one, but something, right? on Friday. Friday is shaky. So this is on the second 20-minute chart entry. As a break even. I close all the trades today. Every single thing is closed. Okay, so these are 12, 15 trades, big trades. All right, big amount of pippage I'm pulling from the market, and based on some other things that let me show you. You notice that I doing long all day, all week long, pound Aussie and pound yen. What is the reason? Especially pound yen. So first, take a look at pound. What I was doing, explaining to my subscriber. This was on the 18th. I made 18th November that pound is going to get strong and we will go up here. It's a long distance. This is a monthly chart, by the way. Okay, this is, you can see 65, 68, and we're talking about we are at 54. So I'm talking about 1100 pip move in pound, in index. That is almost like a double in pairs. Means pairs will move 2000 pip. So, and something. While pound index is going up there, if it goes up there. But so far, how far it is? How far is this? You see, from 54, we are at 60. That almost 600 pip we travel, and obviously that 600 pip to almost 1200 pip in 1000 or 1200 pip in pairs. That's why you see all those big 200 pip, 180 pip, pound Aussie, pound yen, because pound was getting strong, and it was pushing pound Aussie and pound yen and pound USD to the upside. That's why. Now you know that why I've been going long. Another reason for pound yen going so fast, let me show you. I have everything covered. By the way, this is the monthly chart, but in the meantime, I make these small charts as well and send out to my subscriber. Like, see, this is a pound index chart, but it's a 40-minute chart. And it's very clear, making the nice, beautiful channel and bouncing from 78% with divergence, nice and clean. And what happened to this chart? You can see this is the bounce, and it went up and then retraced and up, because the monthly chart I just showed you that it was going up, and it's supposed to go way to the upside, right? So this is just a 40-minute chart. So similarly, yen, if you look at the yen, this was my target. See, I said if we hold here, if we drop below 68, we're going to drop maybe here, but the chances are going to the upside. Holding 50.68, we will go up to 52, break that, go 54.73. So we broke here 52. There was some more charts before that, actually. You see, I'm showing this from here, that if you drop below, we're gonna come down here. If you hold 50.68, then 52 first, and then 52 is this line again. So this is what we did. Okay, and the target was 54.74 and beyond. So far, what happened? This is the next chart I'll show you here. This is where we are as of today. Okay, we are at 55.44. See, this is 54.73. Is already, we took it out, and this is 54.95. That is gone. So yen index going up means yen is getting weaker. Okay, so yen getting weaker, and there pound index was getting strong. That's why pound yen went flying. Simple as that. It's not simple, but to me it's very simple, and this is what I teach in my webinars, so that you know what is going on, rather than just click buy and sell and not knowing what's happening. And that's why most of the people lose money, because they don't know what's it. It's like gambling: buy, sell, pressing buttons. No, you need to find out first what is happening in the market, which currency is getting strong, which currency is getting weaker, and then trade accordingly. And it pays off, believe me. Similarly, let me show you pound yen, for example. I've been doing long. Why? There's another reason I'll show you. Look at this. 26th November, I made this chart. Even before that, you can go and you will see this chart also, the small one. See the target here. I made this chart 18th. Even before that, you can go and see that I was pointing out to the upside. The target is 48, basically. Okay. First 40. Let me see. There was a chart where I wrote down the. See here on this one, I wrote it down. The first target is 140, which is here. The second is 148. So where we are now? Here. 144 already. Okay, very close to the target. We took out 140, and there was a trade I just showed you that it was bouncing exactly from 120, breaking up, above, breaking the number, going above, coming back and testing and bouncing. Okay, this is what it does. This is the price action is. Let me show you where that pound yen. See 140 weekly high. So here we broke above it, came back, tested it, and then I open a trade here. Gone. Exactly, you know exactly what is happening. It gives you a sense of confidence, man. That you're commanding. You know this market exactly what it's going to do, and this market cannot cheat you anymore. Okay, and that is the key to it. Okay, so this is what it is. This is, like I said, yen index is all the way there, and now I know once, let's say for example, if this is gonna hit 48.19, what will happen? I know, so I'm gonna tell my subscriber make new charts. And by the way, I have an alarm made so that when the 40-minute setup or 20-minute setup like this one happens, and it start beeping. This is not a proper setup to beep, but this is it. This one is, and then this one is. Okay, so you get from here to here is 140 pip. So all these nice setup, and your alarm will give you the alarm, the beep that the setup is ready. Come and watch the chart and take the trade. Okay, so what you do is, and I also give out nowadays. I started to give out all my these monthly and weekly charts templates, so that you open the chart and you're a broker and you apply the template, and you will have this whole chart, this whole work done already, and it will pop on your screen on your chart. And then what you do is you save them as a profile, so you always have what I have on my side. You will be looking at the same thing, so when you attend my webinar, you will exactly know what I'm talking about, where you're going, what you need to do, and what you need to be um, doing as far as the trading is concerned. Okay, so total control. Total control is the key, that you have the total control of the market. What is happening? It's not only this, believe me, the gold, oil, I don't have the brokers open right now, but you will be amazed that every single thing, if you learn this strategy, this system, you can trade anything, any commodity, metal, anything you want, as long as it is in MT4. Okay, there are other stations, but this my candle, um, these candles, and then my EA is all made for MT4 only. Okay, they will work only for MT4. So like I said, I give you the indicators, the EA, how to open these charts, and tons of videos, and especially training videos. You have a video what to do to open these kind of charts. You have a video how to find these levels. You have the video how to make an entry, 20-minute, 40-minute entries. Everything. I have videos which I give you, and you just simply, within weeks, maybe maximum month, you will have a total control of the market. Total control. I have customers sending me emails. When I read them, I feel proud. I should not feel proud, but I do. Because they tell me that how much they're making. Let me show you something. See, this is not only, I'm not doing that, but see, 23 hours ago, I tweeted GA and GJ are setting up again on 40-minute chart. Maybe some more fireworks tonight. So I warn you that this is what's going to happen. And then also I said, also watch GU 40-minute, right? So they all ran up. So I'm giving you a heads up on the Twitter. And let me show you something that this girl here, Marian, she just joined like a few weeks ago. And look what she wrote. Sure we did. Look at all these pips. Cannot believe it. Your magic web system makes trading so easy. Thank you so much. Okay, so I get these tweets and especially emails a lot from different people, and my students. They're making tons of pips. Okay, so this is it for now. Just wanted to show you that this is the way to do the trading profitably and big time. I mean, I'm talking about a big amount of pips, not small. Okay, you go after pound Aussie or Euro USD and pair like that, USD franc, it's not gonna happen. Okay, yeah, sure, you can do it and using this, but if market doesn't move, what are you gonna do? The Euro USD all day long, it moves 70, 80 pip. By the time you get the setup and then it goes, every pair has a daily range, by the way. Every pair has a daily range. Let me show it to you what the daily range is all about. If I have it open, see this here. See, it says average 60-day range 170 pip, previous day range 250 pip, and then again current day range. You see this average 60-day range is 70. Then usually it moves to that amount of pippage every day. See, it went up yesterday, but today current day range it made 160 pip move, 170 pip move. Okay, compare that to other pairs. How are you gonna make? All right, so my system makes it very easy, and this is probably not the right chart here. The same chart, but it's not done. I'm using the other chart to show up here. This is the other charts from the other broker, same broker but the other computer. All right, so this is it for now. So if you like what you saw, just go in my website, subscribe, and come in with confidence. That it's not that, oh, let me try this. No. There is no try in my system. Okay, don't try. Don't even think about trying. You just come to make it big, actually. Big, not small, big. Okay, you will be making more than 500 pip a week easily. I made between pound yen and Aussie yen that week. It says 200 pip here, 200 pip here, 400 in one day. Between two pairs, you have tons of pairs, and everywhere you see these setups. Okay, so I'm not gonna take more of your time now. I'll close. Like I said, go on my website, come in with confidence, and subscribe, and just roll up your sleeves and just say, okay, let's go to work. From next week, set up your charts over the weekend, and then from next week, start. Okay, I will have a webinar tomorrow. Today, right now is Friday, 5 p.m. I will set up an webinar for tomorrow, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., where I'll be giving out some new setups and explaining whole market and everything. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.